You got that built.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's your puppy right there, green collar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where are we going? Dippy.
Oh, green collar going to Chicago.
My son done made his pick. Green collar.
It just
Go ahead and
Trouble. Trouble. That's gonna be your name, Trouble.
First of all, I'm trying to get
We get.
this puppy right here gonna be available. Hit me up if y'all interested. Doughboy puppy.
Yeah, if y'all don't get one of these puppies, y'all is snoozing. Y'all better get that last meal.
Last meal gonna be available.
the first one because the other one can be left. Trouble all over.
He real alert.
Mm-hmm.
About to start off, he going back to the net.
Where you going, Trouble?
All them songs.
Look at him. Look at you. You huge, big mother. Look at you.
Came to pick his puppy up, going to Chicago. So let's pick. Got the mama behind him, the daddy, Doughboy. It's gonna be a great pup. Got some great owners came to pick him up.
Yeah. Rihanna, see you later to your baby. Next time you see your baby, you might not even recognize him. Damn. Baby, you see this dog?
I saw him when I walked up the first time.
Yeah. That is a real man. That's a man. That ain't a boy, that's a man. That is a man.
He looked like he about to stand up for stride. He stand up on 2 feet.
Yeah. It's so funny, right? I sent my wife a video of somebody had a Boerboel, and it was standing up on the fireplace, and I told her that's gonna be us. She talking about, no, it ain't. Shit. I'm gonna see us walking here. He's a hamburger.
My guy came down from Chicago to pick his puppy up today. First time seeing Doughboy. Tell him what you think.
Man, this a big boy, man. The videos don't do him no justice. Like, you gotta see this dog in person, man. He's a monster, man. He's big as hell. Solid. All bone. All bone. And he ain't nothing nice. Look at the head on him.
Came to pick his puppy up today.
Yes,
We're gonna
sir.
see what puppy he picked out. Let me show you Rihanna. Here go the mama.
Y'all wanna come over? Huh? My wife's up here talking about something. Who's this?
That's Bailey. That's Bailey. We gonna breed her next when she come and heat.
I mean, be careful.
This is what we said we're gonna have.
Dang, puppy, you crazy. I don't even know why I convinced you. Why you convinced me?
Chill out. Go.
Wait,
Got him at 8 weeks.
4. You gotta be kidding me.
That's the mama. That's Rihanna.
That's a big girl. You can't even tell. She just had some puppies. Yeah. Videos don't do these dogs no justice.
They don't. I be telling people. You gotta see them in person.
Yeah, these videos don't do them no.
Now you talking about I want a bigger dog. This is the big dog. Even though she's smaller than me, but she's still big.
The puppy, that one.
Yeah.
Come here, boy. Available male puppy out of Doughboy. Doughboy's son. This male right here is available off of Doughboy. Hit me up if you're interested. 8 weeks old. First set of shots. Microchip. Anything else you want to know, inbox me.